Good day and welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is on a crochet rainbow hexagon. Rainbow because it's 3 different colors. Extremely easy to work up and beautiful. Different yet beautiful. So for this, of course, you're going to need your different color yarn. It doesn't take much. And you will start with a magic circle. So let me just move this out of the way. I invite you to subscribe to my channel. This channel is 24/7 updated with regular patterns and free tutorials. If you're a returning viewer, hit that subscribe button. Okay, so once you have your magic circle or magic ring, go ahead and chain 3. 1 double crochet into the same ring, and this counts as your first double crochet. Now chain 3. Now you want to double crochet 2 together. So you yarn over into your ring, pull up a loop. There'll be 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go through 2 loops. Leave that last loop on. Repeat that. Once you have 3 loops, yarn over and go through both. Chain 3. So this is called double crochet 2 together. Let's repeat that. And chain 3. You will repeat this until you have 6 double crochets together. So this is 3, so you need to do 3 more to end your row. Once you have 2 double crochets together, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you're going to pull your magic ring to close. And you are going to slip stitch into the chain 3. So the initial chain 3 that you made, please slip stitch into it. Now you're going to have to change colors. So just pull your loop up a bit. And now change your color. I'm just making a simple slip stitch. And you want to slip stitch into your 3 chain space. So however you decide to join, you can join it to any one of the 3 chain spaces. Chain 2, 1 double crochet into the same space, chain 3, and you need to do the exact same stitch, double crochet 2 together. I'm just working in my tails at the same time. Once you do that, chain 1, and you're going to only work in your 3 chain spaces, and this is your repeat. Double crochet 2 together, chain 3, double crochet 2 together, chain 1. Please repeat that until you come to the end of your round. When you get to the end of your row, please slip stitch into the top of your chain. Again, chain 1 and cut that yarn. You can decide when you want to work in your tails. The choice is completely yours. For this row, you can join into any of the 3 chain spaces. I'll just join in here. Just pull up that loop. Chain 3, please. 1 double crochet. Chain 2 and 2 double crochets. Into your chain 1 space, make 3 double crochets. It's amazing, these little projects are perfect for little bits of yarn that you have lying around. Just unraveling there. Your repeat is 2 double crochets into your 3 chain space, chain 2, 2 double crochets into the exact same 3 chain space. Let me just move that out of the way. And 3 double crochets in every chain 1 space. And you will repeat that to the end of your row. When you get to the end of your row, please slip stitch in the top of your chain. Chain 1, cut your tail, work your ends away. And here we go. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is a very quick and easy pattern, and the colors actually came out brilliant. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy crocheting. Have fun with it. This is the Queen Phoenix out. Cheers.